Adding actions can be a great way of adding further interactivity into your jig. In this case, in order for me to add in my actions, I chose to add a menu section in step 2. In this menu, I added all of the components that I wanted to feature on the different steps of my jig. As an example, I've chosen to feature the jet engine turbine. Now you can see that this component is featured on step 3. So in order for me to add actions in my jig, I've added in these text objects. In order to do this, I just went to the Add Content menu and selected our text object. I then filled them in and positioned them within my jig scene. So with this turbine text object selected, I'm going to go to the Objects Properties panel, and in this panel we now have our action menu. So I'm going to add an action to this 3D object. I'll select from the 2 different types of actions. In this case, I want to go to a certain step of my jig, but we can also direct users to a certain website using a URL link. I'm then going to specify which step I want this object to direct our users to. I'm going to apply this action to all the steps of my jig so that the menu system is available for users to interact with in every step of our jig. Now I'm going to close our Object Properties panel just so we can see our jig scene a little clearer. And you can see that that action has been performed. We've moved from step 2 onto the feature step where we show off and discuss our turbine. These actions will be available through the web viewer and in augmented reality, either on iOS or on Android devices. And it can be a great way of customizing your user's experience inside of your jig.